Perfect barbecues made easy with the Weber chimney starter. Unsure how many briquettes to use? Are you tired of getting your hands dirty? Juggling hot coals? Are you tired of waiting for the perfect cooking temperature? Burning your food by trying to cook too soon? Or using too many briquettes? You need a Weber chimney starter. So how does it work? Firstly, it holds the correct amount of briquettes for a 57cm barbecue. Don't be disappointed by cheap imitations. The bottom grate is conical, so it makes the most of the chimney effect, lighting all the briquettes evenly. It's constructed from aluminized steel and has a stay-cool thermoplastic handle and a safety guard to ensure the briquettes are transferred easily and safely to your barbecue. The chimney starter is a must-have accessory that ensures perfect glowing briquettes every time. Perfectly lit briquettes produce great tasting food. Another quality product from Weber. Your perfect barbecue made easy. Weber chimney starters bring with them a heritage of function and quality that others can never replicate. Don't be disappointed by cheap imitations.